The Information Builder's Accelerator for Asset Management, Portfolio Outlook, provides executives, asset managers, and asset owners with pre-built metrics and analysis to monitor firm-wide asset composition, risk, and return of portfolios by sectors and regions. It also delivers insight into active bets relative to benchmark with comprehensive security analytics. Think of the portfolio view as your dashboard, the snapshot that gives you a complete view of your assets under management, or AUM, holdings organized by specific category, and active sector bets without the need for heavy manual data aggregation in tools such as Excel. This is data purposed for consumption and immediate insights. Let's get started. Begin by selecting an account, benchmark, and a specific date in the upper left corner of your dashboard. In this demonstration, there are 5 portfolios preloaded under the Select an Account drop-down list. These 5 portfolios are also listed under the Select a Benchmark drop-down list. The reason for this is that in addition to comparing a portfolio against a specific benchmark, you can also compare between portfolios if required. Clicking Run will refresh all of the metrics and analytics that are displayed on the dashboard based on your selections. Navigating to the right along the top row are 2 key performance indicators, or KPIs, that provide insight into the overall performance of your AUM across all portfolios based on a specific slice of data, in this case, location and strategy. This differs from the lower part of the dashboard, which provides analytics and visualizations based on individual accounts contained within your AUM. The first KPI in the middle shows AUM by location and displays total value, percentage of overall AUM, and return for the previous period that is defined by your data model, for example, previous month or quarter. Analyzing the return allows you to quickly see how your locations are performing against one another. For example, although the New York office represents 62.5% of your total portfolio, the Boston office outperformed New York during the previous period. This level of insight might prompt you to shift funds to another office for management or determine why one office is outperforming another. The second KPI on the right displays the same type of values as the location-based KPI, but shows a different slice of the AUM. Here, you're comparing returns based on a specific strategy, for example, Global Opportunities and Target Fund, which is associated with an account. You can quickly determine which strategy has shown higher returns. The middle content row consists of 3 interactive charts, all simple and easily understood graph types with drill downs for asset managers who like to dig a little deeper without getting involved in ad hoc analysis and report generation. For example, the horizontal bar chart for holdings by asset type quickly shows you how the individual holdings in your portfolio are currently being distributed by asset type in addition to their weight. For example, American Depository Receipts, or ADRs, has the most weight of about 17%, while Real Estate Trust has around 13.5%. To view more details, for example, security ID, country, and sector, simply click on one of the bars to view an in-document analytics report, which allows you to explore the selected holding even further. Moving along to the right on the dashboard, you can view a simple bubble chart that summarizes holdings by industry. At a glance, the size of the bubble corresponds to the total market value as a whole for a specific fund in each industry. A bubble map chart showing holdings by country conveniently displays the weight of your holdings by country. You can zoom in and out of the map as needed. Similar to the other charts in this dashboard, you can also click on a particular country to drill down further and view a detailed report. Across the bottom, the first chart breaks down your holdings by sector, which is just one classification level above industry. Based on the size of the block, you can quickly determine the level of exposure your holding currently has by weight to a particular sector. Finally, the last chart on the dashboard shows your active sector bets, which assists you with the active management of your portfolio by comparing the total weight in a particular sector versus the benchmark weight that has been set, for example, by a mandate for that sector. For example, if you have a mandate indicating that you must be within 2% of the total weight for basic materials, which is currently at 3.17, and the benchmark weight, which is 5.78. Then a rebalance of the portfolio may be required. If you drill down on utilities, you can start to look at all of the securities that are in that industry and how they're performing. If you click the down arrow for the active weights column and sort descending, you can see which securities are overweighted. Alternatively, you can resort that column ascending to quickly identify which securities are underweighted. The Report Generator Info App view provides you with the power to quickly produce custom reports by combining controls and filters with a preferred output type for an iterative workflow that's apparent and easy to learn. Here, you can build your report in a top-down, step-by-step process. You have complete control over column choice and order within the report. Switch to the filtering panel to choose only the specific data points that you require. Capture that report in the output format desired, HTML, PDF, analytical document, or Excel. Then dive back in for more analysis and discovery that will lead to actionable business answers and solutions. Consider the Report Generator Info app as an extension to the Portfolio View dashboard that allows you to focus on a specific area of interest in your portfolio. For example, a particular asset type, account, or sector, or a combination of data points that's unique to your current analysis objective. As a result, this Info app allows for additional insight that can reach beyond the scope of the predefined charts and visualizations that are available in the dashboard.